Hello, my African family. Hope you guys are good. Very important thing for people who are on employment visas in UAE. Once you finish your contract for 2 years, don't just leave like that. Ask for a cancellation. You need a cancellation letter in order for you to get a new visa. Please remember that. And another important thing, if you are planning to leave your employer after 2 years, please notify your employer via email or via writing. Don't just say verbally that, boss, after 3 months I'll leave. When you sign a contract, it says that you have to notify, you have to give notice of 60 days, in some cases 90 days, some cases 1 month. So in all those cases, you don't say verbally. You can say it verbally, but also have an email or make sure you give that in writing to your sponsor and get their signatures that what you're going to leave after the contract ends. And so he has to provide you with the cancellation. So cancellation is very important.